Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about how I did upgrade this home network for less than $500. If you wanna see how I did it, just keep watching. Okay guys, these ones are the customer needs. It requires to have everything inside the enclosure. So we don't have a lot of space. The other thing that he wants is to have a very good Wi-Fi in the whole house, fast and cover the whole area. Also, I need to hardwire all the equipment that we can. That includes TVs, computers, printers, all different devices that can be connected through hardwire. So to get done this project, we're gonna have to get some equipment that first fit inside the enclosure, and second has to be small enough to fit in there. To get this done, I came with a list of these devices. The TP links is in 4 GB Ethernet switch, 2 access points, 2 PoE injectors, and a box of 500 feet of wires. All of that came under the budget of $500. On the description of this video, I'm gonna leave a link to all the devices that I use for this project. This customer gonna be using Xfinity or Comcast service provider, and we're gonna keep using that as a router for the house, and then from there we're gonna connect the switch. So the switch is gonna be able to connect all the devices that we have on the network plus the access point. The access points are PoE, but this switch it's not PoE capable. So we have to also add a couple of PoE injectors that they don't come with switches itself. So you have to buy them separate. If you want to do this at home yourself, you can just follow this diagram. It's gonna be super easy. On the port number 1 or 2 from the Xfinity modem, you're gonna connect any other port the switch, and then each port you're gonna connect each device that you have on the network. So for the power, the access point, you're gonna connect one port, the PoE, to the access point, and then the other port gonna connect it to the switch, as you can follow in this diagram. This is a network enclosure. What I did in here was I ran all the coax wires on the left side and the cat wires on the right side to being able to manage better the wires. At the beginning, all the wires were coming out from the same pipe, but I had this space in the back to run the wire from the right side to the left side. So it was better for me to manage the wires. Doing that made me better to connect all my coax wires to the coax distribution, and then for the right side was able to run and connect all the different CATs to the switch. I haven't finished this enclosure yet. I still have to install the Comcast Xfinity router and the PoE injectors. Any of those I haven't yet, but in the next feature I'm gonna show you the idea of what I'm going to do in this enclosure. This picture, I'm gonna have the 2 PoE injectors on the side. I'm gonna have the Comcast router on the right side. From the PoE injectors, I wanna run all these wires. I'm gonna go to my access point. I zoom this photo because I wanna show you that label all your wires so you can come back and identify them when you need them. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you next time.